Welcome to this beginner-friendly blogger tutorial for 2025. If you have ever wanted to start your own blog but felt intimidated but felt intimidated by the technical side, this guide is for you. Blogger is a free platform from Google that requires nothing more than a Google account. You don't need any coding skills, web design experience, or special installations. Everything is handled for you. Blogger automatically takes care of hosting, which means your blog will be live on the internet at no cost. To get started, sign in with your Google account and click New Post or click New Blog. Then choose a blog title, something catchy and relevant to your content like article. Then click Next. Select a unique blogpost.com address like new article 26, then click Save. If your desired address is taken, try adding numbers or descriptive words to make it available. Click Save. Next, pick a simple, clean theme from the options provided. Go to Theme option. Don't stress over design right now. You can always change the theme later. Once your blog is created, you will land on the Blogger dashboard, the central hub where you will manage everything. From here, click Posts. Now, you can add a new post. Click New Post. Add a title. Format your text. Insert images and use labels to organize your posts. Labels help group related content and make it easier for readers to explore. Now let's explore some of bloggers' other powerful features. First, understand the difference between posts and pages. Posts are your regular blog entries, while pages are static. For example, an About Me or Contact page. You can create this using the same editor as posts. Next, head to the layout section. Here you can add, remove, or rearrange gadgets. These are widgets like search bar, recent posts, lists, social media links, and more. Simply drag and drop them where you want. Click Add Gadget. Select one from here like linked list. Now follow the process. For design tweaks, go to the theme section. Stick to simple fonts and clean color schemes for readability. Under settings, you can update your blog's title and the description language. Blog is visible. Make sure your blog is visible to search engines so people can actually find it. If you would like to use a custom domain instead of your default blogpost.com address, you can cannot one you have purchased from a domain registrar. In permission section, you can invite authors to contribute or set your blog to private. You can also adjust post settings such as how many posts appear on the homepage and how comments are moderated. Creating great content is the key to a successful blog. When writing posts, use clear titles, keep paragraphs short, use headings, and include relevant images. Always ensure you have the right to use them. Organize your blog with labels and consider adding a labels gadget to your sidebar so readers can browse by topic. Go to layouts and now for monetization, Blogger integrates easily with Google AdSense, allowing you to display ads and earn revenue. You can also explore affiliate marketing by promoting products and earning commissions from sales. Maintaining your blog is essential. Post regularly, respond to comments, keep your design clear and clean, and update order content to keep it fresh. Use Google Analytics and Search Console to track your traffic, see what's working, and refine your strategy. To grow up your audience, share your posts on social media, join blogging communities, and comment on other blogs to network. Reader comments are valuable. They build a sense of community, so manage them while approving genuine interactions and filtering spam. Finally, back up your blog periodically so you can restore it if needed or move it to another platform in future. By following these steps, you will have a professional looking, fully functional blog all for free. So that's it. If you want to connect Google AdSense, just click earnings, then click connect AdSense and follow the process. And it will connect it to your AdSense. So if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.